Hello guys, welcome back to our channel GM's Kitchen. So today's recipe is Malai Kulfi, Kesar Malai Kulfi. So let's get into the video. Before that, if you are watching my channel for the first time, do like, share, subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon aside. So let's get into the video.
So let's see the ingredients needed for it's Malai Kulfi. So let's see the ingredients needed for making Malai Kulfi. 750 ml of milk, sweetless khoya, lesser than 1 cup of khoya. If you get sweet khoya, it's better. If you get it, it's okay, no problem. Fresh cream lesser than 1 cup. Sugar as per taste. Nuts as per your taste. Sugar we need 75 grams to 100 grams. Let's now pour the milk to a large kadai. Let's add milk. Now let it boil. See, it's boiling. We should mix it with a spatula. We have to get in that malai. He is the one who steadies us whenever ice cream vehicle comes. Kalata chocobar chocolate pista. Hey, settle down. You should switch the flame into high and low. You should twist it. Take in the malai. It's the only thing it is needed for kulfi. If you are adding condensed milk, you have to add that in this stage. We are gonna use fresh cream and khoa. We are gonna use it a little bit later. You can also use saffron if it's available in your home. It's lockdown time and I'm not able to get it. So now let's add khoya. Let's now mix it. Let's add some more. Let's now mix it very well with the spatula. I'm adding a little bit. If we add khoya, it will be very creamy and it will be very rich compared to not adding it. See, it has been thickened after adding khoya. And the bubbles are also too different. After it's more thickened, we'll add fresh cream. The milk we have to take is cream milk or full fat milk. We have to stir it continuously in this stage. So it's beautiful thickened. So now let's add fresh cream. Beaten fresh cream. See the color, it's very nice. See how creamy and thickened it is. So let's add everything. It's very creamy, very creamy. Stir it continuously. The stoves add some. After it is little thickened, we'll add sugar. If you are adding sweet khoya, add sugar lesser. We have taken plain khoya. We are gonna add sugar a bit above. After it's a little bit thickened only, we have to add sugar. If we add sugar, it will come loosened. So see its consistency. It's very creamy. So it's well thickened. Now let's add sugar. See consistency. It should be like this. After it comes like this only, we have to add sugar. Add sugar and adjust your consistency. If you want more, you can add more. After adding sugar, it will be coming like little loosened. So now let's add badam. Mix it. So now let's add cardamom seed powder. We are adding this for a flavor only. In this Malai Kulfi, we are not using saffron. The stove is at sim. So now let's switch off the stove. Yeah. After it's cool, let's add it to a tumbler and freeze it. And let's enjoy Malai Kulfi. Let it cool. We'll meet after it's cooled. It's completely cooled. So the mold we are gonna use is cups. If you are having kulfi mold, you can use that. Let's grease the cups with ghee, little only. For that shape only we are greasing it with ghee. If you don't know, you can skip that. So let's pour this one kulfi mix to the kulfi mold. I am gonna use aluminium foil sheet for covering the cups. I have poured all the kulfi mix into the cups. So let's cover it with a foil paper. It's compulsory to use foil paper, because when we keep it without covering it, the kulfi, the taste will change. The ice will form in kulfi mix, so be careful with that. I have covered all the cups with my aluminium foil. Let's now add pop stick into that. Ice cream stick or pop stick. Yeah. The setup is ready to freeze. Let's now freeze. So let's freeze it. I have some stuffs in freezer. Let's keep the 3 molds. Don't be confused with this taste. It will be awesome. It will be very, very nice. So let's keep the 3 mold inside. Keep it. So let's keep it. I kept this for 13 hours. Now let's open it and demold it and enjoy. All the 3 I took it out. Let's see how's it. Yeah, the kulfi is very nice. Yeah. Let's now try to demold it. So now let's demold it. I'm doing like this to easily take it out. See how easily it came out. See it. You can see that it's demolding. Wow. Came out very well, if you see it. Let's decorate it with almonds for that nutty flavor. Yeah, let's now enjoy this kulfi.
So yeah, the kulfi came out very well if you see the picture. Yeah, the taste was also very nice. Do try it at your home and comment below your experience. Like if you're seeing my channel for the first time, do like, share, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click the bell icon aside. Subscribe.